Okay, this is a tiny home, and we came in and did these stairs. This is no knot decking, which means the deck boards have no knots in them whatsoever, like you see in the handles, the rail caps. But being that it is a tiny home and it is a mobile home, we weren't allowed to connect the stairs to the actual house, so we had to give a little bit of a gap there. We made the rails a little bit tall because we didn't want her falling off the edge. As you can see, we route all of our top boards here, our rail caps, that pretty much seamless feel there. Because when you're coming up the stairs or down the stairs, you're going to be grabbing the outside of this, pulling yourself up and down. Also down at the end, we make it to where even if you're coming around the corner, these are all sanded, routed, and smooth, so you're not going to poke yourself with something sticking out. So that was the back set of stairs, big platform. So this is where she'll be coming in, with the groceries and so forth. So wanted to make that big to where she could set the groceries down, unlock the door, later probably putting an awning above it. And this is potential for a wheelchair ramp to come out that way, if she needs to be having that later on. This is the front set of stairs here. And again, went higher so she doesn't have to worry about falling off. I'm 6 foot tall, 3 foot railings. Not a good idea. Same thing here. Got no knot decking, nice rail caps, and on up to the front porch of the mobile home. It happened in the move of the house. So the mobile home company came and set these stairs, just plopped them on the ground, not big enough to pass code, not even close. They used 3 different types of railing systems here, and just really crappy work. So the new ones are much better, pass code. Got our certificate of occupancy this morning. So there it is. Oh yeah, these were the ones for the back stairs, not even close to code. You have to have a 4x4 landing while coming out of an exit door. These back here were 36 by 42, so now they're all better. And this one was a fun board here because we had to get 3 holes to slip down over the 4x4s to make there be no cuts in that piece. So flawless work yet again. Dylan Contracting. Subscribe, like, and that's that.